right next to me, we have something that pretty much is where my channel started. Before everything that it is now, there was this. 10th scale RC cars. So if you're saying to yourself, Mike, but you do RC cars all the time, that's true. But everything we've had for the past few years has been 12th scale and smaller. Right here, we have one of the internet's most famous RC cars, the MJX Hyper Go 10208. Four-wheel drive, 3 and 4S 10th scale brushless monster truck. 4S, guys. We have not done a 4S RC car on this channel ever. And alongside of it, I also have two batteries here, Angry Snail batteries, which is MJX's brand. One of them is a 4S and the other one is a 3S. They are both 5200 milliamps. Got this on imexrc.com. It's retailing on there for $279 and they have all the parts as well. I'm so excited for this because, again, we've been doing lots of RC stuff over the years, but there's been a lot of 12 scale stuff and 10th scale is where my heart is. So let's just go over the features in the box. 100 amp brushless ESC, like I said, this is 4S capable. 35 kilogram metal steering servo, brushless motor, center differential, nice little 2.4 gigahertz controller, and there's even an app that lets you tune the car. Makes it really easy to do on the fly. All right, we have it out of the box now, and I tell you what, this is a mean looking truck. The first thing I'm noticing, clipless body, dude. That's sweet. Now I know the clipless bodies aren't loved by all, and well, I've struggled to take a lot of them off myself, but that one was pretty easy. It just slides right under there, and then this little latch right here slides, so it clips. We got metal, but plastic capped, oil-filled shocks here. I'm surprised they're plastic, actually. Looks like there's some LEDs in the bumper, front and rear. The front actually has a huge LED light. That's gonna be sweet. Servo mounted right here, ESC. Looks like there's 3 fans total, 2 of them on top of the motor, 1 of them on the ESC, and a nice big battery tray here. Some big tires, and there was also a box inside that has, looks like, some replacement parts. Are these replacement A-arms? I think they actually might be. Yeah, look, it's a whole replacement. I don't know if that's front or rear. It could be both. That's pretty cool. It even comes with like the bearing carrier and everything. It's like the whole setup, caster blocks and everything. So if you smash this, boom, you have replacement parts ready to go. And of course a wheelie bar, because I mean, let's be real, 4S, this thing's going to do some serious wheelies. A nice metal chassis bar right across the top. Everything seems like very beefed up plastic. Looks like it's going to take an XT60. And then we also have the remote here. Very basic, but you know, you could do some one-handed driving, which is amazing for filming. Typically I wear a GoPro, but I'd easily be able to drive using the camera I'm using right now. Looks like the remote has throttle trim, steering trim, and you even get a little power button. So you have 75%. But yeah, simple basic transmitter. Let's take a look at these batteries. Once again, Angry Snail is the MJX brand. Big 4S battery here. 14.8 volts. We have not run a 4S on this channel yet, guys. We have another one. I've just never made a video with it because I've never driven it. And yes, I've had it for 3 years. It's a team associated MT8 8th scale. It's bigger than this. Might even take a 6S. If you want to see that video, guys, let me know. We can make that. This does have a center diff right inside there. Front and rear differentials. Looks like it's got all metal axles, steering links, and it looks like even down inside there, the bell crank is actually metal too. Drive shaft is metal. It's a good looking truck. Link in the description to IMEX website. Alright guys, we're at the park. I got Clayton here with me. We have the Hyper Go right here. We're going to start on 3S, see how this thing goes. Then we'll jump to 4S to get the real power.
That's beautiful. Nice right there. I like that.
It's really
quick
simple.
Release.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
It's a very beautiful day here in Florida. It's early in the morning too.
It's starting to cool off now.
Yeah, it is. It's finally... Winter in Florida is great because it's cooler. You just don't have as much like daylight. Is it possible to get this in there?
In there? Yeah, let's see.
Just clear it out.
Just stick it into... Oh no, you won't be able to.
It's dead.
It's dead?
Kidding me, dude? It's dead.
No. Dude, this thing feels peppy.
Oh yeah, I bet.
Nice.
Car.
That's full speed.
That's quick.
It is quick. The 3S? It's quiet. That's what I like about it. Because
Yeah,
like you
dude.
notice some of the cheaper cars, they're really loud. And
I mean, the Traxxas is really loud too.
It is, yeah. But this, it's smooth. There you go. You feel it. Right, like it feels good, doesn't it?
Yeah, this trigger is really sensitive on the brakes. See if it does a flip.
It does good on off-road.
I think we can jump straight to 4S.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah. All right, guys, going straight to 4S. There's no point to stick on 3 if we have a 4. We'll see what this performance is right off the rip. Unfortunately, my speedometer is dead.
You also have to make sure the controller's at 100% because it has the 70% mode or the 100%. All right.
Oh yeah, we got a ton more power now.
Really? Sheesh.
That wheelie bar is actually being used, which is pretty rare. A lot of times you get a wheelie bar in a car and you don't actually end up using it.
Sheesh.
Beast. Now I don't think we can go in the rocks as much since there's cars here, which is a little unfortunate for us.
Dude, that thing hauls butt. Sheesh.
Yeah, it's quick.
There you go. It's a good car, man. I like this.
I mean, for $279, dude,
Not bad at all.
it's not. It's a good price.
Look at that thing. Sheesh.
Wheelies for days.
Oh yeah, look at that.
You want to go to the rocks?
Do you want to?
Yeah, we'll stay on the outskirts.
The fact that you could just be rolling and just punch it and it pulls a wheelie. Dude, this thing's the best car we've taken on the rocks.
Yeah, I agree.
Look at that.
Well, full tense, careful with rocks.
The rocks in the cars, yeah. Sheesh.
Yeah, I mean, it's a no-brainer. I think we both knew it was going to be awesome. Yo.
That's awesome. I really like that thing. Doesn't it feel great in there?
Yeah, it feels awesome. I mean, there's nothing to really critique. There's nothing to critique.
No, there isn't.
It's great.
It feels like a hobby grade car.
Yes.
It's like I'm
Look at all
driving a
that water
Traxxas
spitting
or
up.
Arma. Like
Right.
it's that good. Dang, I gotta get me one now. 4S too? That's insane. Oh man.
Badass, dude. We've been doing a lot of 12th scale, 16th scale, 18th scale. It's been a long time. When is the
A
last
10
time?
scale like this thing's awesome.
Yeah, this is what people are looking for. Everybody wants an RC car, wants a 10 scale, let's be real.
Yeah, for sure. This thing's so fun.
Well, guys, I have to be honest with you. I'm actually really impressed with this guy here. It just goes to show you that these off-brands that you don't necessarily find at your hobby shops are starting to become just as good as those brands that are basically charging you more just for the name. And I think based on Clayton and mine's reaction to this thing, especially on 4S, that the $279 price tag is actually pretty dang good for what you're getting. A 4S 10th scale, pretty nuts. The brushless motor on this thing is absolutely huge. I gotta be honest with you, I'm absolutely in love. I think this is probably one of the best RC cars I've reviewed on this channel, I'm not gonna lie. And we've done quite a few of them. And we didn't even really tap into the software that you can use on your phone. This was just a basic review. So I'll leave that up to you guys if you end up picking one up for yourself. It comes recommended by me, and again, this offering from say Traxxas or Arma, you're going to be paying at least $200 more. Once again, the links are in the description. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Later.